Hello and welcome again. So in the last video we were facing some problems with this query without current user ID. So what was the problem? We are using an extra comma here and that's why we are getting the problem. So we are selecting the columns and we are then joining and grouping and ordering everything doing. So it's good. So here we can define our query. So our query is basically this one. So if the query is basically if the current user doesn't exist, then our query is pool.query is query without current user ID. That's our query. So it is, and if the current user exists, then our query will be query with current user ID, and then we will pass this current user ID with our query. Okay, so this is for the parameter, this $1. Then we can await this query here. We can await this query and here we have our result, and then we can save this thing. And now we have all the tweets here, you can see. And if we go to a incognito mode, then if we try to see here, still we can see all the tweets. You can see everything is working nice and good. So this is a little bit of complex query, but yeah, with the help of ChatGPT, we can query our database efficiently. So this is what ChatGPT can do. Now what we need to do is here we can also define an error. So return error something wrong with querying the DB like that. Now save this. Now this is good. So we are rendering everything and everything looks good to me. So now what we need to do, so if we go to the like button, so everything is good. So we can like, we can dislike. We are not bombarding our server with a lot of API requests. You can see this is still the same. Auth requests are a lot of auth requests we are sending. Why is that? Let's find out. There is a reason. So this is a homework for you. What you need to do, you need to remove this auth here and you can pass down the user ID from the tweet and from the main component. So we have the user data, we have the user ID. You just need to pass down the ID. From here you need to pass down the ID to the like button, and that's all. That's how you can also remove a lot of like and what we can say the auth request to the Supabase server. That's all. Now our application is looking good. Where is this? So this is our application. We can tweet. This is a latest tweet. You can tweet and you can see this is being rendered here instantly. This is super fast. Okay. Now what feature we can implement? We need to implement our reply functionality. So in the next video, we will implement the reply functionality. What we need to do is similar to Twitter. So let's close everything. If we go to Twitter, so here is a tweet, and if I tweet something here, you can see if I click on this button, it will open a new model and now I can reply to this tweet. So same thing we are going to do. When I click over here, it will open a model and then I can type my reply. After this, if I click on this tweet, it will open a whole new window and then I can see the replies below. So that's what we are going to implement in the next video, and that's the last feature we are going to build in this Twitter clone. Thank you so much for watching till now.